Morning everyone. So today we will see the chapter 11, that is perimeter and area. We have already discussed about the perimeter and area of rectangle and square in our previous class, in class 6 also. So today we will only discuss in this chapter 11, we will only discuss about the perimeter or area about only the topic circle. So see the circle. What do you mean by circle? Circle means it is a round and it is a closed shape, and it is we can say that it is a closed curve. Now what do you mean by circumference of a circle? As we know that, what do you mean by the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square means the total length of a square, but in terms of circle, in place of perimeter we are using circumference. Circumference and perimeter are same. सर्कमफेरेंस एंड पेरीमीटर क्या होता है, सेम होता है, लेकिन हम सर्कल के टर्म्स में पेरीमीटर को क्या बोलते हैं, सर्कमफेरेंस. दैट इज द डिस्टेंस अराउंड द सर्कल, लाइक दिस. सी मीन्स इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, सो दिस टोटल पॉइंट, सो दिस इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस, एंड इसी डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल. So here we are using 2 points, radius and diameter. I hope that you all know about what is radius and diameter. Radius means the point which is joined through from its center to the boundary to the circle. So this is radius, and diameter means which is double of radius. See, रेडियस मतलब होता है जो सेंटर से उसके वन पॉइंट से जॉइन रहता है, एंड डायमीटर मीन्स इफ वी जॉइन द 2 points on the boundary of a circle, so this completely is known as diameter, but from center to this point it is known as radius. So straight line from the circumference to the center of the circle, and diameter means it refers to the line from one point of circumference to the other point of circumference. Then here we'll use one number here, that pi. It is a symbol of pi and we will read it as pi. So it refers to the ratio of circle's circumference to diameter. Means what is the definition of pi is, if we divide circumference by diameter it is equal to pi, or we can write that circumference is equal to pi multiply diameter. You can see here diameter is given in denominator, so we can change here, so it will change into diameter. Means circumference is equal to pi multiply d. D means diameter, r means radius. It is the short form, or it is the symbol to denote radius and diameter. So we can write circumference is c, pi as pi, and d as diameter. And we know that diameter is double of radius, or radius can be written as d by 2. So using this, diameter is equal to 2r, we can write that c is equal to 2 pi r. It means if you want to find the circumference of circle, directly you have to apply the formula 2 pi r. Then see the area of circle. So this is a circle, this one is diameter, and this completely is known as that is radius, and completely is known as diameter, and this boundary is known as its circumference. Now we have to see the value. The value is fixed for this pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. Here in this chapter we can see that we will use the pi value as 3.14 or 22 by 7, and it is a fixed value of pi and we cannot change it. The next topic we'll read in this chapter is area of circle. So what do you mean by area of circle? Area of circle means this completely part. So area of circle, here formula is pi r square, or we can write that half of circumference into radius. Half of circumference means circumference is 2 pi r, its half is 2, and 2 radius, so 2 we can cancel, so pi r into r, it can be written as pi r square. It means the area of circle. So we'll use the two formula. Circumference, we'll use here two formula for circle. Circumference is 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. So now let's start our question, exercise 11.3. So find the circumference of the circle with the following radius, and you have to take the pi value as 22 by 7. What you have to find? Circumference, and here what is given? Radius. So write radius is r is equal to 14 centimeter. We know that what is the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Now put the value. 2 pi r means 2, pi value is 22 by 7 into 14. So 7 and 7, 7 to the 14. Now multiply the remaining numbers. 2 multiply 22 multiply 2. So it will be 44. 44 multiplied to 88 centimeter. Means the circumference of circle is 88 centimeter. See the next one. Here radius is 42 millimeter. Directly apply the formula 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 42. If you multiply and divide this, you will get the answer as 264 millimeter. So if you want to find the circumference, you have to apply the formula directly 2 pi r, where it is given in the question. Then see the question number 2. Find the area of the circle given that, here what is given? Radius is given. And again we have to take the pi value as 22 by 7. So radius we will denote by r. R is equal to 5 centimeter. We know that what is the formula of area of circle? Pi r square. So pi value is 22 by 7. R square means double. You have to multiply r how many times? 2 times. Radius is given 5. So 5 square. 22 by 7. 5 5 is 25. Now multiply this 2 and divide by 7. You will get the answer as 78.57 centimeter square. That is the area. Now see the question number 2. Diameter is given, but we know that the formula is pi r square. Means हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी? रेडियस की. And we know that radius is half of diameter, or radius is d by 2. So divide 9.8 by 2, which is equal to 4.9 centimeter. Now apply the formula pi r square 22 by 7 multiply 4.9 square. So 4.9 square means 4.9 multiply 4.9, which is equal to 24.01. Now multiply this. So the area of circle is 75.46 centimeter. Question number 3. The radius of a circle pipe is 10 centimeter. What length of tape is required to wrap around the pipe? The radius of a circular pipe means a pipe is given and it is in the shape of a circle. And what is the radius given? 10 centimeter. What length of a tape is required to wrap once around the pipe? Here the meaning of this question is हमें कितने टेप की जरूरत पड़ेगी कि उसे हम एक बार उसे टेप से कवर कर सके. Like take this a circular pipe and we have to wrap, मतलब इसे टेप से कवर करना है. It means we have to find the circumference of that pipe. So that right given radius of circular pipe is 10 centimeter. So the length of pipe required to wrap around the pipe, that will be the circumference of circle. And what is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Here in place of 22 by 7 it is given 3.14. You can use any value, but in the question it is given 3.14. So write here 3.14. So 2 into 3.14. What is radius? 10. So multiply all this number. 3.14 into 2, it will be 6.28 multiplied by 10. If you multiply this 2, you will get the answer as 62.8 centimeter. Means you need how much what length of tape? You need 62.8 centimeter of tape to cover the circular pipe, which is of 10 centimeter. Then see the question number 4. Find the perimeter of the given shape. Here one shape is given. You can see this one is shape and we have to find the total perimeter. Perimeter means the total distance covered by this figure. So first of all, you can see it is given that completely like it is like a circle. We know that it is a circle and it is known as its diameter. Means the 14 centimeter is the value of diameter here. Here diameter is given how much? 14 centimeter. But if you want to find the circumference of circle, you need radius. So first we will find the value of radius. It means divide 14 by 2. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. After this, circumference of semicircle. What do you mean by semicircle? See, this one is a circle. If we divide circle into two equal parts, so it is known as, this part is known as semicircle. So see how many semicircle are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ पर कितने सेमी सर्कल है? 4 सेमी सर्कल. अगर हम 4 सेमी सर्कल में से किसी भी एक सेमी सर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस फाइंड कर लेंगे, अगर इसका सर्कमफेरेंस फाइंड कर लिया और फिर किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे? 4 से, तो हमें पूरे फिगर का circumference, we can find that. So the circumference of semicircle, you can take one semicircle, it is given how much? 14 centimeter. So we know that. What do you mean semicircle? Semicircle means half of circle. So write 1 by 2 into circumference of circle, 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. Why you have taken half? हाफ हमने क्यों लिया? सर्कल का, पूरे सर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस क्या होता है? 2 पाई आर. लेकिन हमें किसका फाइंड करना है सर्कमफेरेंस? सेमी सर्कल का, मतलब उसके हाफ का. सो विल डिवाइड बाय 2. सो वी कैन कट 2 by 2. So pi r is the circumference of semicircle. After this pi r, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7, so 22 centimeter. It means the circumference of one semicircle is how much? 22 centimeter. But here in this question you can see how many semicircles are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर एक सेमीसर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस 22 सेंटीमीटर होगा तो 4 का कितना होगा? 22 multiplied 4, which is equal to 88 centimeter. So first of all, you should know the what do you mean by semicircle and how to find the circumference of semicircle. So we know that semicircle means half of circle, so we'll divide its circumference by 2. After that we'll put the value. Then see the next question, question number 5. Rashi divides a circular disc of radius 7 centimeter into 2 equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular disc? This one is the same question as question number 4th only. Again, let's see that Rashi have a circular disc. You can see it is a circular disc. Its radius is 7 centimeter. Means from center to this point, its radius is 7 centimeter. And she divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts means how many semicircular will be there? 2 semicircular. Now we have to find its perimeter. So the radius, what is the radius given here? 7 centimeter, right? Radius of semicircular disc is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of each semicircular disc. मतलब हमने उसे दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है, तो हमें दोनों का perimeter फाइंड करना है. This one also and this two. So first we will find the perimeter of only one semicircular disc. Now how? Perimeter of semicircular disc. Semicircular means it is half of 1 by 2 into circumference of circle. Why we have taken half of circle? Because semicircle is half of circle. Semicircle circle का आधा होता है, इसलिए इसका perimeter कितना होगा? 2 pi r upon 2 plus after that c circumference सिर्फ इतना हुआ. अब ये length भी बची हुई है. And what is this? It is a completely diameter only. So here we'll add the diameter of circle also. So circumference of circle means 1 by 2 into 2 pi r plus 2 r. You can cancel 2 by 2. So pi r plus 2 r. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 plus 2. Again radius is 7. So we can cancel 7 by 7 means 22. 2 7 is 14, which is equal to 36 centimeter. It means the perimeter or the circumference of this completely semicircle is 36 centimeter. So how to find? First of all, we will find the circumference of semicircle. Semicircle क्या होता है? सर्कल का आधा, इसलिए इसके circumference को half से divide करेंगे. After this one line, this one is also given. So add this also 2 into 7, which is equal to 14. Then see the next question, question number 6. The circumference of the circle exceeds the diameter by 120 centimeter. Find the diameter and circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle exceeds the diameter by 120 centimeter. What do you mean by this line? First of all, here circumference is given how much? 120 centimeter. And we do not know about its radius and diameter. So let us take radius of circle as r and diameter as 2r. Here radius and diameter is not given, so we will denote radius by r. And diameter is, we know that diameter is double of radius, so diameter is equal to 2r. And circumference, we know that what is the formula circumference? 2 pi r. So here question it is given that द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल एक्सिड्स द डायमीटर बाय 120 सेंटीमीटर। इसका मतलब है जो सर्कमफेरेंस है सर्कल का वो डायमीटर से कितना ज़्यादा है, 120 सेंटीमीटर। सो दैट वन वी कैन राइट इट एज दैट डायमीटर कितना है 2r, सर्कमफेरेंस 2r है, 2 पाई r, so 2 pi r minus 2r is equal to 120. Now you can see that 2r is 2 pi r minus 2r. Here also 2r, here also 2r. So we can take common. Common मतलब हमने बाहर ले इसको एक लिख लिया। अब हमने 2r को बाहर ब्रैकेट से बाहर ले लिया तो यहाँ पर क्या लेफ्ट बचा, कितना बचा पाई, और यहाँ पर 1 मीन्स 2 pi r minus 2r को हम लिख सकते हैं 2r pi minus 1. Now put the value. 2r pi is 22 by 7 minus 1. After this 22 by 7 minus 1. Subtract this. So we'll take the LCM. It can be written as 15 by 7. So 2r multiply 15 by 7 is equal to 120. Now you have to find the value of r. So transpose all the things at the right side. 7 here and 15 in the denominator, and 2 is also denominator, so it can be written as 120 multiply 7 by 15 1 by 1 by 2. If we solve this, you will get the answer as 28 centimeter. So what is this? This is in radius. Now we'll find diameter. So diameter is 2r. So diameter is 2r, so 2 multiply 28, which is equal to 56 centimeter. After finding diameter, you have to find the circumference also. So what is circumference? 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7, r value is 28. So 7 and just 7, 7 4s are 28. Now multiply this 3, 2 multiply 22 multiply 4. So we'll get the answer as 176 centimeter. So we have already found what they asked. They asked about diameter and circumference. So right here diameter is 56 centimeter and circumference is 176 centimeter. Then see the next question. Question number 7. The diameter of a wheel is 1.26 meter. How far will it travel in 500 revolutions? Wheel means it's like a circle only. जो पहिया रहता है उसका diameter it is 1.26 centimeter. Revolution means it making a how far will it travel in 500 revolution. Revolution means completing. Like this is a wheel. If it is starting from A point और फिर से वो A point तक डिस्टेंस को कवर करता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, 1 revolution. 1 revolution. But they ask that अगर वो कितने revolution लगाएगा, टोटल 500 revolution, तो उसे कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना पड़ेगा. So for that first of all we'll find the distance covered in only 1 revolution. So revolution means रिवोल्यूशन का मतलब होता है अगर ए पॉइंट से स्टार्ट किया उसी डिस्टेंस तक आने में उसने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर, उसे बोलते हैं रिवोल्यूशन. एंड दैट वन इज ओनली नोन एज, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल भी कहते हैं. सो हियर वी हैव टू यूज सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ फॉर्मूला. सो गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन, डायमीटर 1.26 सेंटीमीटर. सो रेडियस विल बी हाफ ऑफ the diameter, so divide 1.26 by 2 means 0.63 meter. Now distance traveled in 1 revolution, or we can say that it is a circumference. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 22 by 7, radius is 0.63, and solve this, you will get the answer is 3.96 meter. It means the distance traveled in 1 revolution, एक चक्कर लगाने में उसे कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना पड़ेगा, 3.96. बट इन द क्वेश्चन दे आस्क्ड अबाउट हाउ मेनी रिवोल्यूशंस, उन्होंने पूछा हमसे 500 रिवोल्यूशन के लिए, मतलब एक से 500 रिवोल्यूशन कर दिया है, मतलब हमें 1 से मेनी फाइंड करना है. सो मल्टीप्लाई 3.96 मल्टीप्लाई 500. So it means it will take how much distance it will cover, the wheel, it will cover 1900 meter in how many revolutions, 500 revolutions. Then see the next question, question number 8. From a circular disc of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. See, one circle is given of how many radius, 4 centimeter, and a radius of 3 centimeter means a circle is taken and whose radius is how much 3 centimeter. उसको रिमूव कर दिया, मतलब इतने इतने पार्ट को हमने क्या कर दिया, रिमूव कर दिया. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग शीट, मतलब जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है. सी हाउ मेनी सर्कल्स, 2 सर्कल्स आर देयर. हमने इतने एरिया को रिमूव कर दिया, तो ये जो बचा लेफ्ट है, इतने सर्कल का एरिया कितना होगा. इट मीन्स हियर वी हैव टू यूज विच फॉर्मूला, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. So we know that area circle formula is pi r square. It means we need the value of radius. Here 2 circles are given. So radius of outer circle is 4 centimeter. Radius of inner circle is 3 centimeter. So remaining sheet means the area of remaining sheet will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. See, it is completely, ये पूरा एरिया आउटर सर्कल का है और ये इनर का है. अगर हम इतने पार्ट को रिमूव कर दें तो हमें ये लेफ्ट पार्ट मिल जाएगा. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल. नाउ राइट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया, पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर. हियर पाई इज कॉमन, so you can take bracket r square minus r square. R square means you have to multiply r how many times, 2 times. So 4 multiply 4 minus 3 multiply 4. So 22 by 7, 4 4 is 16 minus 3 3 is 9. So 22 by 7, 16 minus 9, 7. We can cancel 7 by 7. So answer is 22 centimeter square. It means the area of remaining sheet after removing a circle of radius 3 centimeter is 22 centimeter square. Then see the next question. Question number 9. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 centimeter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Here you can see that it is not given that what you have to find, circumference of circle, but how you can find the value. One more thing you have to notice that centimeter square, in perimeter we will only use centimeter. अगर हमें area find करना है so we will use here centimeter square. So in this question you can see that here meter square is given. It means we have to find the formula of, we have to use the formula of area, or you have to find the area of table. So see that your diameter is given 1.6. So first of all find the value of r, radius, and we know that radius is half of diameter. So 1.6 divided by 2 means 0.8 centimeter. Now find its area. Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. So 3.14 into 0.8 square. 3.14 multiply 0.8 into 0.8, which is equal to 0.64. If you multiply this, you will get the answer as 2.0096 meter square. So this is the total area of our table top. Now one more question here. They ask that what is the rate of polishing rupees 15 per meter square. Per meter square मतलब रेट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग पर मीटर, या फिर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए उसे कितने पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, उसने रुपीज़ देने पड़ेंगे रुपीज़ 15. And we have to find the cost of polishing for total tabletop, and the total tabletop area is how much, 2.0096 meter square. So multiplies rupees 15 by 2.0096. It means he has to give how many rupees, rupees 30.114. See here for only 1 meter it is given, for 1 meter square, and we have to find for how much, total area 2.0096. So if you want to find from 1 to many, we'll multiply. So multiply 15 by 2.0096. So they have to give rupees 30.14 for cost of polishing the table top. Now see the last question of our exercise, question number 10. A road which is 7 meter wide surrounds a circular path whose circumference is 352 meter. Find the area of the road. A road which is 7 meter wide surrounds a circular path. Circular path means here one path. Path is given on which shape, circular path. A road which is 7 meter wide. और उसके बाहर एक रोड दिया है, वो कितना वाइड मतलब होता है चौड़ा, कितना चौड़ा है उससे 7 मीटर, मीन्स इट इज़ अ सर्कुलर पाथ. उसके बाहर हमने एक रोड लिया, वो उससे एक्स्ट्रा है 7 मीटर वाइड है, मतलब चौड़ा है 7 मीटर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोड, मीन्स दिस completely area we have to find here. Now how to find? Let the radius of path, let this take as r meter. So the circumference of circular path, here circular path circumference is already given, 352 meter. We know that circumference is 2 pi r. It is a circular path. इसका circumference दिया है 2 pi r and we do not know the radius. So using this circumference, first of all we will find the r value. So 2 pi r is equal to 352, 2 into 2 by 7 into r upon 352. And if we solve this equation, you will get the answer as 56 meter. It means the radius of the circular path, it is 56 meter. And it is a circular road outside this path. If it is 56 centimeter है और ये कितना है extra 7 meter. So the total radius of the circular path, that circular road, it will be how much? 56 plus 7, which is equal to 63 meter. और you can see that inner radius मतलब अंदर circular path की 56 है. So outer radius will be 56 plus 7, 63 meter. So we have to find the area of the road. Which area we have to find? This completely area. If we have to find this completely area of this road. तो हम कैसे करेंगे? आउटर सर्कल के एरिया को इनर सर्कल के एरिया से माइनस कर देंगे. सो हमें ये टोटल एरिया इतना मिल जाएगा. So like question number 9th only, it is same that area of road will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. We know that pi r square is the formula of area. So pi r square minus r square. That capital R is the outer radius, small r is the inner radius. So r value is 63 and that is 56. So 63 square minus 56 square. Now multiply pi 63 multiply 63 minus 56 multiply 56. So 63 into 63, 3969, and 56 multiply 56, 3136. Now subtract this 2 and put the value of pi, it will be 833. And if we solve this equation, you will get the answer as 2618 meter square, which is the area of that road. So like this, here in this exercise you have to use only the circumference and the area of circle. So I hope you all have understood. So we have completed our chapter 11. We'll all cover only this part, area of circle and perimeter of circle. So we'll see the next chapter on the next of our class.